Use site availability to control who sees your site. To get started, open the Site Availability panel. By default, all sites are set to private. You can set your site to private at any time to hide it from visitors. Making your site private helps when you're still building your site, or to temporarily hide your site while you change the content. When your site is private, only site owners and contributors with login permissions can visit it, and search engines can't find it or index it. When your site is public, all visitors can access your site from any connected domain, and your site can be found and indexed by search engines. To set your site to public, ensure your site is on a paid subscription and select Public, and then click Save. If you want your site to be password protected, you can enter the password here and click Save. When your site is password protected, visitors see a prompt to enter the password. Anyone you give the password to can enter it and view your site. You can use this setting on trial or paid sites. On a trial site, you can share your site with visitors after you add a password. To change the appearance of the lock screen, go to Pages, System Pages, Lock Screen, to customize the layout, branding, and style. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.